every Sikh is supposed to maintain the 5 Ks. The first is the kesh, the uncut hair. You know, when you see in any cricket match in India, you see people wearing a turban, so they tie their head, they are the Sikh. So the first K is kesh, the uncut hair. Second is kanga, the comb to keep his hair clean. The third is the kala, the metal bracelet for strength. Number 4 is the kirpan, that is the dagger for self-defense. And number 5 is the kacha, the long underdrawers or undergarment for agility. So every Sikh is supposed to maintain all his 5 Ks. And the Sikh are known for maintaining the label. Wherever they go, almost all of them, they will be proud to wear the turban, to keep the beard, to wear the kala, to wear the kirpan. They are very proud of their religion.